I'm particularly excited about tonight's webcast simply because the fabrics, the ideas, they're just so beautiful. So all of these are being used tonight. And so I just wanted to show them to you a little early. This is a lapis color blue velvet. It's perfect for spring. It's just so beautiful. Tonight you'll see what I'm doing with it. The designer touches that fabrics are coordinating, so you see how these go together. They're just lovely together. So again, tonight we'll see that. This faux pink leather. Designers are using a lot of faux leather today, and it's just really fun and easy. It's definitely different than regular leather, but it's just a different look. This is a cotton poly, has stretch in both directions. It's really beautiful. And then something we're seeing on this particular fabric is a pre-fusing. This fabric is fused already. What's wonderful about that is with a white, you don't see through it. And again, tonight we'll see what I did. And then I love this netting. Absolutely love this netting. You'll see a little fun tonight. This is a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions. And we have this beautiful basket weave. You would think perfect for a jacket, and of course it would be, but I put a little twist on that. This is a cotton poly blend and absolutely stunning for spring. So the goal, see you tonight. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.